Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is part 3 of the video series Power BI with Python. This is a continuation of video 2 where we have created a relational plot with two parameters, that is the x and y variable. In this video we will go through the HUE parameter. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So what is a HUE parameter? It is similar to a legend in a graph. It contains small samples of each color on the graph as well as a short description of what each color means. And where can we get this parameter? Similarly, like our x and y parameter, the HUE parameter will be a column in our data frame. So let's get started with Power BI. This is the graph which we created in our previous video too. I'll just copy this visual using Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste it. So here you can see there is a single color, blue color, which is used for the categories. Here I add other column like region. Once I add region there, I'll edit the data set here to include region. Then I'll add the HUE parameter here beside my data. Here I'll mention HUE equal to region and I'll run my visual. So you can see it is processing. Yeah, it's processed. So now a legend has appeared here with the title region and all the regions are displayed here with different colors. Here if I want to see or validate my graph is correct or not, I'll go to my data set and check it. So here I can see for technology the highest sales was done from region south. Let me go to my sample superstore and I'll filter it with category, that is technology. Category technology. Okay, so now I want to see the highest sales. So this column, I'll short this column. Sales in descending order. And now I can see the highest sale in this region, that is south, is 22,638. If I go to my Power BI, I can see the orange color here signifies the southern region which is greater than 20,000. So yes, what I have done is correct. So till now we got to know that HUE is similar to legend. So if I don't want to see this legend, what shall I do? For that I can use the legend parameter. Here I'll use the legend parameter and I'll set it to false. If I do that, I can see that the region legend which is being displayed here will no longer be visible, although the color coding remains there. An important tip here, if you make a spelling mistake, you can see when I write false with F as capital, the entire word is displayed in a blue color, that is, it's taking as keyword. If I make it small f and if I try to run this, the graph will show me an error because that time this false has been taken as a normal value, not as a, see, false is not defined. and not as a boolean value. So I have to give f so that Python interprets it as a boolean value. Thank you for watching.